In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on Google. Select all services over here. And scroll down again, this time to choose Autofill with Google. When you're ready, choose Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to check. Enter your current login method. Click on this eye icon next to your password and this way make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!